Dear children, with the help of this video, we will find the nature of the given salts. In this table, we are given three salts: sodium chloride, aluminum chloride, and sodium acetate. We need to find the nature of these three salts. Now, we don't need to learn the examples of neutral salts, acidic salts, and basic salts to decide whether these salts are neutral, acidic, or basic. There is a very easy way to decide the nature of these salts, which we are going to learn with the help of this video. We will make a table. In this table, we are going to write the name of the salt as is written here. Then we are going to write the formula of the salts. So let us quickly write the formula of salts, which we have already learned how to derive with the help of crisscross method. Sodium chloride is NaCl. Aluminium chloride is AlCl3. And now you must have become an expert at deducing the formula of various ionic compounds. Sodium acetate is CH3COO. So this is the formula of sodium acetate. Now we know that salts are formed as a result of neutralization reaction between acid and base. So we are going to write the names of acids from which they are formed. So in case of sodium chloride, look at the anion. It is chloride ion. So we know that the acid from which it is formed is HCl. In aluminium chloride, again we see chloride ion, so the acid from which it is formed is HCl. In sodium acetate, we see this anion, acetate anion, so the acid from which it is formed is acetic acid, which is CH3COOH. Now we are going to write the formula of the bases from which these salts are formed. In sodium chloride, when I see this cation Na, that means the base is NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide. In aluminium chloride, when I see the aluminium cation, the base is Al OH thrice. That means it is aluminium hydroxide. Now, in case of sodium acetate, I can make out that the base is NaOH. Now, I'm going to quickly write below them which of these are strong acids and which of these are weak acids. HCl is a strong acid. Again, HCl over here is a strong acid. Here, acetic acid is a weak acid. Now, let me see the nature of these bases. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base. Aluminium hydroxide is a weak base. And again here, sodium hydroxide is a strong base. Now I will come to know the nature of the salt. In case of sodium chloride, it is formed from a strong acid and a strong base. So sodium chloride is a neutral salt. Let us see aluminium chloride. It is made again from a strong acid but a weak base. So children, aluminium chloride is acidic. Let me see sodium acetate. It is made from a weak acid and a strong base. So sodium acetate is basic in nature. So I don't need to learn the examples of neutral, acidic, or basic salts. I can myself judge whether these salts are acidic, basic, or neutral.